Welcome to another episode of WDL with the German. I want to talk about the Mustang convertible EcoBoost today and what's the number one reason not to buy it brand new from a dealer. Let's just say it's 2017. I know we have 2018. It's 2017, you go to the dealer, you see a Mustang EcoBoost convertible, you like it to buy a convertible. The price will be somewhere between $32,000 and $38,000. So you say okay, and you buy this car. The only way to buy it, I think, is pay cash for it. If you are paying this car and get a loan for it, at that time it was a big mistake, and you will see why. The reason why is you can buy now, 2018. We can buy a 2017 Mustang convertible EcoBoost for as low as $18,000. So that means a one-year-old car lost somewhere between $10,000 and $18,000. What's unbelievable. So if you bought that and you just made a small down payment, what I think it's a bad thing to do. Never do that. If you make maybe a down payment $5,000, $7,000, you are ending up with, in a year, in 12 months from now, with being so much upside down on your loan. It's unbelievable. I would never ever suggest anybody to do that. That said, this Mustang EcoBoost is a steal when you buy it used. You buy it used, one-year-old car. Like I said, I saw them already for $18,000. If you get a low mileage one owner, no accidents, they run you around $22,000, $23,000. You get a lot of bang for your buck for $23,000. You get a convertible, it's not real the fastest, but it's pretty fast and sporty, and you have luxury in it like no other car, and this all for $22,000. So if you bought that car brand new, you lost your shirt, I tell you that. And the 2018 model line will not be a lot better. So if you plan on buying now a 2018 because they have a other transmission in it and they're newer cars, and be prepared to lose a third of the value right away on that car, if not more. So what I suggest you would do, wait to 2019, 2020, and see if you get your hand on an 11, 12 months old one. And I guarantee you it's at least $10,000 to $15,000 cheaper than the brand new one, and you still have an almost new car with maybe 20,000 miles on it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back to dash cams. Okay. This dash cam is a BC Master. It's in my wife's car since a year. It works flawlessly. I checked once a month the SD card and it records everything. It's perfect. Even nighttime we can make out license plates. So I'm not getting paid for that. I paid full price for this one. It was over $80. It also has GPS built in, so it will record the speed and everything of your car in the video. Now, if you don't want it to record that, you can disable it or just pull out the external antenna. It came in a nice package. It had everything in here, nicely packed, and I think it's well worth the money what I paid for. Especially if you have an accident or there's some dispute with a law enforcement officer, you have proof. Now I thought it's about time to get myself one. I have the power already run where the camera will be because I used the BC Master. I just switched it out, and we switched it a lot of times, and like I said, it's a stable, firm camera. Was good to go. I ordered me now this Aukey dash camera. what has the same specification as the BC Master. It is from a different company, but everything else, it even looks alike on the box. At least I didn't open it yet. And I will see over the next month how this one works out. This one don't have the built-in GPS, so I think it has a hookup for a GPS antenna, but it's actually not necessary to have that. The pictures are very, very clear on this BC Master, and I hope the Aukey can do the same. You probably ask why I chose going with a different camera if I'm satisfied with the one my wife has in the car. The reason is this camera was only about, I think, $45 or $46. So about half the price of the BC Master, and I really wasn't interested in the GPS function of it. Let's see. Well, it looks exactly the same. It has the same button set up like the BC Master. The same inputs in here like the BC Master. Yeah. So we will see if it works out. Now, what is in the package? In the BC Master there were all kinds of stuff, and we have your suction cup mount, and we have your M3 tape mount, and this. We have the USB wire. Perfect. This is perfect. Welcome back. So now we established why not. Number one reason why not to buy a first Ford Mustang EcoBoost, brand new. Well, if a Ford dealer can explain to me what the reason is, I should buy a brand new one if I can get a used one for about 40 to 45% less. Was only 12 months old. Then please contact me. Remember the iTech audio video recorder for your little dash cam there. I put also dash cam in my car. This one we just tested. You can look back in other videos I tested it. It's really bad. I've seen on TV. iTech. Unbelievable. It's really poor Chinese quality, and I would not suggest ever buy this thing here. Do not buy it unless you want to have fun and destroy it or throw it around. No. There you go. That's what we do with it. That flies right behind it. We have fun. Companies send us sometimes little gadgets to test out. This week came in a toilet bowl light. I will not hang a light in my toilet. I don't have to. This is really good if you're stumbling in the dark, missing and making a mess, and falling into open toilets. So I don't know whoever fell into an open toilet, but it must have happened, or they wouldn't develop a light to prevent it. But I think if you fall in an open toilet, you're so drunk even the light won't help you. I can test that light. I can basically maybe turn it on. And I still can't believe it. People falling into a toilet. I can test it out, but I will not hang it in my toilet. This is ridiculous. What are you thinking? But if it works and somebody really has the issue that they fall in it or miss and making a mess, then the light will help you. You just target, aim for the light, and you're good to go. with that said, I think we are done for the day. Let's see what we do next week. We have got rid of the bad camera, and our next thing is, well, if you want to see it, let me know. I'm gonna put some battery in it, turn it on. Human body induction lamp. It is a light with an air freshener also in it, so I don't know. Well, could be good if you need it. I don't need it. I don't have any of these issues listed there, but if you have, get the light, aim for the light, and you have no more mess. Plus, it prevents you from falling in the toilet when you walk by, because you see it's... You guys have a good week.